Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita-EduEat where learning meets fun. Today we will start polynomials. Let's understand what a polynomial is and how it's classified into linear, quadratic and cubic forms. Polynomial is an algebraic expression with one or more terms involving power of variables but only whole number power. For an example, 4x plus 2 is a polynomial in variable x of degree 1. 2y square minus 3y plus 4 is a polynomial in variable y of degree 2. The degree of a polynomial to all of you. Degree of a polynomial. The degree of a polynomial is the highest power of the variable in it. For an example, 5x to the power 3 minus 4x square plus x minus under root 2. In this given example, the highest power of the variable is 3. Another example, 7 u to the power 6 minus 3 by 2 u to the power 4 plus 4 u square plus u minus 8. In this given example, the highest power of the variable of u is 6. Remember, expressions like 1 upon x minus 1, under root x plus 2 or 1 upon x square plus 2x plus 3 are not polynomials because they have variables in the denominator or under root. Now I'll explain types of polynomials. First one, linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. For an example, 2x minus 3, 3x plus 5, y plus root 2, etc. Second one, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. The word quadratic comes from quadrat, meaning square. Example, 2x square plus 3x minus 2 upon 5. Another one example, y square minus 2. Another example, 4z square plus 1 upon 7. The general form of this quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers and a does not equal to 0. Third one, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. For an example, 2 minus x cube, 3 minus x cube, etc. General form of this polynomial, ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. The general form of quadratic and cubic polynomials that I told you about comes in MCQ on the board exams. Now we will learn about value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial: if px can be read as a p of x is a polynomial, then by replacing x with any number k, we get the value of the polynomial at x is equal to k, written as p of k. Example, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. To find p of 2, substitute 2 in place of x. Then x square minus 3x minus 4. Instead of x, we can put it 2 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 square becomes 4. 3 2s are 6 and this negative 4. Positive 4 and a negative 4 cancel. Then it's equal to the minus 6. P2 is equal to the minus 6. Explain 0 of a polynomial. If for a number k, the value of polynomial of k is equal to 0, then k is called a 0 of the polynomial. For an example, p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4. Now we can take any integer. I have taken x value is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So that p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 whole square becomes a positive 1. Minus into minus becomes a positive sign. 3 ones are 3 minus 4. So 3 plus 1 becomes a 4 and this one is negative 4. So 4 minus 4 becomes a 0. Therefore, minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial. So in this video, we learned what a polynomial is, its degree, and linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial, and how to find the value of a polynomial and how to find 0 of a polynomial. In the next video, we will learn exercise question answer. Thanks for watching.